Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't troubleshoot the wrong layer. Turn up media and notification volumes and disable Do Not Disturb. Then open Instagram, tap your profile, settings, notifications to view Instagram's notification toggles. Make sure system-level app notifications are enabled too. If the OS blocks them, Instagram can't play a sound. Once done, restart the app so the permission state refreshes and you're ready for the deeper fixes. Now you look at Instagram's internal settings and system sound mapping. Enable the specific notification types you expect. Messages, comments, live, each can be toggled independently. If Instagram offers an in-app sound option, select a distinct tone so it won't be confused with silent alerts. Next, clear cache or force stop and reopen Instagram to apply changes. This resolves mismatch settings. If phone-level notification channels exist, ensure the Instagram channel is set to play sound and not silent or minimized. Finish by ensuring you run the latest Instagram version. Updates often fix audio bugs, and reinstalling replaces corrupted files. After updating or reinstalling, restart your device to reset audio services and retest with a friend or secondary account so you can trigger a push. If notifications remain silent, inspect battery optimization and notification channels. Some ROMs mute background apps. If that fails, temporarily disable battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.